Welcome to Edukids Learning TV. Hi kids. Let's start sound game. Listen. Listen carefully. What do you hear? Is that the sound of a horse? No. Is that the sound of a monkey? No. Is that the sound of a giraffe? No. Listen carefully again and try to guess the sound. Is that the sound of an elephant? Yes. It's the sound of an elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant. E for elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Congratulations! You are absolutely right. E for elephant. 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 E for elephant.
Hi kids!
Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and to get the latest video notification, hit the bell icon.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.